Over the last 25 years, I've handled a lot of dog bite cases. If somebody owns a dog and that dog hurts somebody else, that person is legally liable under Ohio law. Ohio Revised Code Section 955.28 says the owner, keeper, or harborer of a dog is liable in damages for injury or death caused by the animal. What we do in dog bite cases is if you've been bitten by somebody's dog, if you've been chased by the dog and knocked down, or you've been chased by the dog and fallen and suffered injuries, you can make a claim against that person's homeowner's policy. So that's what we look for. We look for, one, did the owner of the dog or the keeper of the dog own a house that has homeowner's policy? We make a claim against that policy. If they live in an apartment or they're renting a residence, we look to see if there's renter's insurance that's going to cover that. Okay? So the owner, the keeper, the harborer of the dog is liable. We make a claim against their insurance company to make sure that the injury victim gets compensated. Clients come to us because we're very experienced. I've been a lawyer for 25 years. We have two other lawyers in the office. Jack and Ron are experienced trial lawyers. They've conducted many jury trials against insurance companies. I've personally conducted nearly 100 jury trials over the last 25 years. And so most of our clients come from having heard that we've done a good job for somebody else and being referred by a former client. Client communication is very important to the law firm. I return phone calls, I return emails, but our staff does too. We have an excellent staff of paralegals and other attorneys and other professionals in the office, and we're excellent at client communication. I don't tend to think in terms of large law firm or small law firm. We certainly have resources to handle any type of personal injury case that comes our way. You're going to have a lawyer who is handling your case. And I can tell you, in this law firm, we have 3 top-notch lawyers, and one of whom will be handling your case. So if you're in need of legal assistance, pick up the phone and give me a call. When we're doing an initial consultation, we'll discuss, obviously, what happened, the facts of what happened to you, then about your injuries, what happened to your body, the injuries you suffered, the medical treatment you've gone through so far, the medical treatment that you anticipate going through, and we'll talk about the process of how we get from where you're at right now and how we're going to get a resolution of your claim for compensation that would happen to you. Injury damages fall into 2 main categories. One category is what we call economic loss. Those are all the things that we can add up on a calculator. Your medical bills, your lost wages, things like that. And then you have the non-economic loss. Those are the more intangible things, like somebody's pain and suffering and the effect that it's had on their life. We love dogs at the Attkisson Law Firm, but we also know that dogs can really cause serious injuries to people. So if you've been bitten by a dog, if you've been chased by a dog and fallen and been hurt, and if you've been knocked down by a dog, if you've suffered any injuries as a result of a dog, give us a call, we can help.